Good day, Philippines. Happy New Year to all. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update after a long week of vacation. This is our English version of very first for this year 2025. For today, January 7 to 9, Tuesday to Thursday. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And before we proceed with our update, if you want to watch our Tagalog version, just visit our homepage at our YouTube channel, Mr. Typhoon, for more details. Okay, and here's now the very latest. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. We have here a surface trough forming over the east of the Philippine Islands. And we have here departing a frontal system, which is moving fast towards the area to the east of Japan. And right here over the Philippine Islands, we have the surge of the Northeast Monsoon moving downwards across the northern and eastern sections of Luzon, and it will reach also the Bicol region in the next couple of days. A possibility of a shear line is expected to form here over the Bicol region within the next 5 days. So watch out for that, for possible rain showers and thunderstorms, as well as moderate to strong winds because of the northeast monsoon. So please take all necessary precautions, those living along the low-lying areas, due to the effects of flooding that will be generated when we have a heavy downpour generated by the shear line. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, and as you can clearly see here, the trough located here is departing, okay, moving towards the northeast. And right now, we are still experiencing some great weather across the eastern sections of the country, particularly Bicol region, eastern Luzon. Right here over Mindanao area, we have some cloudiness, some thunderstorms. This is just some sort of a local thunderstorms generated by converging winds. Okay, and if we take a look at the latest wind and pressure forecast for the next 5 days, we are going to extend this until Sunday, January 12. We have here the northeast monsoon beginning to intensify over extreme northern and eastern Luzon. By tomorrow, Wednesday, the northeast monsoon will start to also affect the coastal waters of the Bicol region, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, and Catanduanes. By January 9, the northeast monsoon will start to pick up, intensifying, and will bring winds of up to 50 kph across extreme northern and eastern Luzon, and it's also going to affect the coastal waters of Camarines provinces and Catanduanes this Thursday, January 9, and on Friday it will start to intensify further from 50 to 60 kph wind gust, particularly the coastal waters of the Bicol region from eastern Albay, Catanduanes, and the coastal waters or coastal areas of Camarines provinces. So we expect that there will be a shear line event. Okay, so rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected this beginning January 8 until the weekend, and Saturday, January 11 to January 12, the northeast monsoon will be stationary over the coastal waters, coastal areas of the Bicol region and eastern and northern Luzon, and it will also be much stronger over the West Philippine Sea. As you can see it here, it will bring some rough seas, okay, and strong winds of up to 60 kph, affecting the Panatag Shoal and the Calayan Island group. The rest of the country will have good weather with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. So that will be the forecast for the next 5 days until Sunday, January 12. Here's the rain accumulation forecast for the next 5 days. So we begin by this Tuesday, January 7. There will be some increasing cloudiness and rain showers over the coastal areas of Camarines provinces and also Catanduanes, and it will further intensify, as you can see it here, on Wednesday, January 8. Increasing rainfall of 50 to 100 millimeters will be expected. This is the 24-hour rainfall accumulation over the Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur area, particularly Partido District and Catanduanes. And it will also penetrate some areas of the Bicol region. On and off rainfall or rain showers in between sunshine because of the northeast monsoon and the developing shear line, particularly on Thursday, January 9. The shear line will be very well established, okay, and it will bring on and off rainfall across the Bicol region and southern Quezon, particularly Bundok Peninsula, Marinduque, and the coastal areas of Oriental Mindoro, becoming more frequent over Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur, where rainfall will exceed 100 millimeters. In other parts of Bicol region, it will be roughly around 5 to 50 millimeters. So it will be also dangerous to small sea crafts. Okay, the waves here will be higher. We're going to show to you later, as well as the rainfall might produce some flooding in low-lying areas. So please take all necessary precautions as we are set to again be affected by this approaching shear line. 5 days, same situation across the Bicol region. 5 to 50 millimeters over the western and central portions of the Bicol region, while 50 to 100 or more than 100 millimeters will be expected across the coastal areas of eastern Bicol region, from Camarines Norte down to Sorsogon. Also on Saturday, we still have the shear line, but starting to become diffused, and on Sunday it will slowly weaken, but still some showers will be expected across the coastal areas of northern and eastern Bicol. And on Monday, it will start to die down or weaken. Okay, so that will be the forecast for the next 5 days. So expect the return of the shear line and the northeast monsoon that will bring windy conditions of up to 50 to 60 kph across the coastal areas of the Bicol region and the southern Quezon, also Marinduque and Oriental Mindoro, and some areas of eastern Cagayan, eastern Isabela. That will be today, Tuesday, but in the coming days, Wednesday until Sunday, the shear line will become more intense over the Bicol region. So again, please take all necessary precautions, those living in low-lying areas, landslide-prone areas, as well as along the coastal areas of these affected provinces over the Bicol region. As for the wave heights for the next 5 days, so you can see here, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the waves will become more higher, around 3 to 4 meters over the east and the west Philippine seas because of the arrival of the northeast monsoon and the possibility of another shear line over Bicol and Quezon provinces. So there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday, January 7 until 9. So let's all be prepared again for another rainfall event that could happen between January 8, 9, 10, 11 to maybe Saturday or Sunday. So please take all necessary precautions. This is my Padua saying Good day to all. Stay safe always. Again, Happy New Year, Happy Tweakings, and we'll see you again in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for watching. God bless to all.